Welcome to Skies and Roads. After such a long time, we're finally sharing another journey together. Today is a very special day because we're celebrating an incredible milestone 20,000 subscribers. Thank you all for the constant support and for being part of this journey. And to celebrate this moment, I want to share a video I had saved just for you. A beautiful flight, one of the shortest routes operated by Frontier Airlines, but also a very meaningful one. Final Frontier flight of the 2025 season from St. Thomas to San Juan. And after spending some time in St. Thomas, it's time to head back home to San Juan, Puerto Rico, enjoying some of the best views you'll see on this channel. Buckle up because this short flight is full of celebration, emotion, and breathtaking scenery. Cyril E. Airport, STT, is one of the busiest airports in the U.S. Virgin Islands, serving millions of passengers each year. The airport is primarily served by U.S. carriers, with non-stop flights to major hubs such as San Juan, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Atlanta, New York, and Charlotte. Airlines like American Airlines, Delta, United, JetBlue, Spirit, and Frontier play a key role connecting St. Thomas to the mainland and nearby Caribbean islands. STT also sees a strong mix of tourists, cruise passengers, and local travelers, especially during the peak winter travel season, making it a vital gateway to the Caribbean. Unlike San Juan, when arriving at St. Thomas Airport, in addition to agriculture inspections, passengers must also go through customs and passport control. In San Juan, the process is simpler. Passengers only go through agriculture inspection and then proceed directly to TSA security for their next flight. After clearing all security and reaching the terminal, I have mixed feelings. The terminal can feel a bit overwhelming and somewhat uncomfortable, since all airlines and passengers share the same space, which tends to get quite crowded, especially during busy periods. On top of that, it felt noticeable warm as the air conditioning didn't seem to be working very well at the time. However, the views overlooking the ramp are excellent, offering great angles to watch aircraft arriving and departing, making it a fantastic spot for aviation enthusiasts. This Delta Boeing 757 was going to Atlanta, where it was diverted to Jacksonville.
Customers for JetBlue Flight 435 services to San Juan. You're now welcome to board at gate number 5. Information on board passengers traveling United Airlines for the 1445 reserve. Yeah, you are not the right spot.
And there you see my ride coming from San Juan, Puerto Rico, and it's a Frontier Airlines Airbus A320 Neo. I would love to know how many people fell in this joke.
Now welcome to board traveling to Washington. Welcome to board at this time. Once again, group 4, you're now welcome to board.
We're ready for boarding, and this time will be from gate 7A.
The main cabin door has been closed. All customers should be seated. Seatbelts are always fastened. Seatbelts and tray tables will take to their appropriate positions for departure. Large electronics should have such as laptops often stowed. Personal electronic devices and game mode airplane mode are often stowed. Flight attendants prepare doors for departure and cross-check. Stand by for all call.
Should be about 20 minutes en route from here to San Juan. Weather in San Juan's good. We got the same kind of light winds and partly cloudy skies, some vicinity thunderstroke storms. Not going to have any kind of service because the flight's so short. Appreciate you staying in your seats with the seatbelts fastened. We'll have you there quickly. Pushing back here in just about 6 minutes, and then it's a 20-minute flight. So thank you. Welcome aboard. That there's 2 aircraft that are coming in and landing before us, so they said it's going to be about a 10-minute wait before they land, before we can take off, and so appreciate your patience.
And yes, it was a wait time of almost 15 minutes. Aircraft were landing on runway 10, but departing from runway 28. So I don't know why that happens, but maybe it's weight situation or wind. But it was a good takeoff, so enjoy it.
use travel laptop computers and other large electronics must remain stowed. Once we arrive at the gate, please use caution when opening overhead bins to prevent injury as items may have shifted during landing. For questions regarding ground transportation and baggage limit, Frontier Customer Service representative will make a spot upon arrival at the gate and will be happy to assist you. For this customer needing special assistance such as a wheelchair, please remain seated until the majority of the customers exit the aircraft. This will allow us to better assist you. If San Juan is your destination, we ask that you please remain seated and allow those with a connecting flight to deplane first. For those customers who live in the San Juan area, welcome home. For those who are just visiting, we wish you a pleasant stay. To help keep our cabin temperature at a comfortable temperature, we ask that you please open the air vents and close the window shades. On behalf of our crew and everyone Team Frontier, thanks for traveling with us today. Because we do care about your travel experience, you may receive a survey to provide us with feedback on today's flight. We hope to see you again soon. You can find the lowest fare for your next flight on Frontier Airport at flyfrontier.com.
Thank you so much for watching this video. It really was a good one. It was a bucket list flight that I always wanted. And very soon I will post the complete unedited footage of this one. So once again, thank you so much for the support. Please have great holidays and stay tuned because more content is coming. Have a great day.